Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about an easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is Univalued binary tree. So you are given a binary tree and you just have to check that whether it is univalued, which means that all the nodes have the same value. Now how you can check it out, it's very simple. You just do whatever traversal you want on this particular tree and just take the first value out of this tree. Okay, whatever the first value, and just match this particular value with all the other values. If they are matching it with this particular value, then it is fine, it is a univalued. If at any point it doesn't matches out, then it is not a univalued. So there are multiple approaches to solve this problem out. You can do multiple type of traversal, whatever you want on this particular tree. I've done this whole solution. So what I've done is that first check that if the root is already null, then the answer is true that it is univalued, like it's just a edge case. If the root is not null, which means that it has all like at least one node, just take the root node value and store it in some global value, which means that I have now the value that I want to compare with all the other nodes. Okay, now I'll just do this whole traversal on this particular node. What I'll do is that if the root is null, I just returns true. That is, we have reached a state that there is no node and we have not found out that it is false, so I just return for like true. Or else if the root is not null and the value of the root value or like any node value that I'm iterating over, if it is not equal to the value that I want to, then I return false, because all the values should be equal to this particular value. If they're not equal, then it is return false. So if any root value that or any node that I'm iterating over, if it is not equal to this particular value, then return false. Or else we just do a type of traversal, just do left or right. This this function will be returning whether any subtree on the left hand side or right hand side returns false, which means that it is having a particular node that is not having the same value or with all the other nodes. So this OK function will be called on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side, and this will be like traverse and returning out whether all the values are same or not. And then both of the subtrees should be having the same value, so both some should be returning true. That's why if any one of them return false, then it is bad. So that's why it's an AND operation, that both left subtree and right subtree should be returning out true, that it all the values inside those subtrees are having a same value. So this function is a recursive function which is just traversing over the whole tree in O of n time complexity. So and just returning out whether the subtree that they are responsible for have the same value that we have matched with this particular value. And just so you can pause this video and try to write in the code of yourself by like you can try it by yourself as well. It's not too difficult to understand as well as write. So that's overall logic and the code part for this particular problem as well. If you still have any doubts, you can mention down in the comment box of this particular problem. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I will see you in the next one. Keep coding and bye.